How have Ukrainian forces intensified their attacks against Russia recently? Discover the surprising new strategies that are shifting the balance in this ongoing conflict. One major way Ukrainian forces have stepped up their attacks is through the extensive use of drones. These devices are not just for surveillance anymore. They now carry explosives for targeted strikes, enabling Ukraine to hit Russian supply convoys and command centers with high precision. This tactic limits Russian mobility and weakens their frontline capabilities without exposing Ukrainian troops to direct combat. Beyond drones, Ukrainian forces have intensified attacks using long-range rocket artillery systems like HIMARS. These allow strikes far behind Russian front lines, targeting ammunition depots, fuel supplies, and command posts. The effect is a significant disruption to Russian resupply efforts, forcing them to relocate key assets and slowing their offensive capabilities. Ukrainian Special Operations Forces have increased covert raids behind Russian lines. These small, highly trained units infiltrate enemy territory to sabotage critical infrastructure and gather intelligence. Their surprise attacks not only damage equipment, but also lower morale among Russian troops, creating confusion and fear far from the front lines. Another front in this intensified conflict is electronic and cyber warfare. Ukrainian teams launch cyberattacks that disrupt Russian communication networks and command systems. This interference hampers coordination among Russian units, causes delays in orders, and provides Ukrainian forces with critical windows to exploit weaknesses. Ukrainian forces have transformed their offensive with drones, rocket systems, covert raids, and cyber warfare, creating a multi-layered approach that challenges Russian advances at every turn. This evolving strategy shows how innovation and adaptability can reshape modern conflict. Hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.